You gotta be more far out here. I'm almost out here.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Hers and His Adventures in California.
Not her.
Not her. I'm here with my buddy Diego again, and we are in Rio Vista, California, out in this big waterway, as you can see, and we're trying for some stripers. We've got 2 poles soaking right now with anchovies, and Diego is
mud suckers. We're doing mud suckers on some circle 4 hooks, so it's gonna be fun. See what we get.
There we go. And gentleman just here said mudsuckers were doing okay, so we'll see what happens. Anyways, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And hopefully we'll see you with Fish On.
Fish on.
Okay, everybody. Diego was just getting a bite, we think. A pull. It's the first action. Now he's touching it. Now he's touching it. Okay, let's see. And he is using mud suckers while I am using anchovies. But you guys saw the last time we came to Rio Vista, the anchovies did good for us. That was just a couple videos ago. Okay, we'll be right back if he gets some action here.
Don't feel like it.
Okay, he says it doesn't feel like it. He had saw a bite and attempted to set hook, but we don't think there's anything here. Yeah, false alarm, people. There's the mud sucker. I don't know, dude. That's awfully stable. That seems more like debris. But you might want to try it anyways, and if all of a sudden it starts hitting crazy, you want to be there.
This is moving too.
Okay, he's getting bend in the other pole right here. Right there. Hey, it looks a lot like debris. It's just a pull. Unless something's got it and just slowly swimming with it. Okay, what's your name, brother?
James.
James? James Ken.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Okay, this is James here, and we're just sitting here talking, and we're like, you know, you fish, blah, 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 and he's all, well, you got a YouTube channel? I think you noticed the camera. I said, yeah. He goes, man, I just watched your channel.
Yeah, that's how I found the spot, bro. I just went to your other spot for sunfish.
Oh, was it the recent video from just a couple days ago here at Rio Vista?
Honestly, bro, I was watching it yesterday. I'll show you my search history.
That is, that's awesome.
For real, I was like,
yeah, it's a small channel, honestly. So it's only been around for like a year. It's been hard getting subscribers, but we're approaching 400 now.
Hell yeah, that's dope.
So, and I think the video editing's okay.
Yeah, I was watching it.
Okay, it's been a slow day, and we haven't got anything for like 2 hours, and the 2 folks next to us just hooked up a small striper. It's not much, but it's a striper, and this is
Maxwell.
And I'm Kimmy.
Maxwell and Kimmy. And Maxwell's actually told us a little information and fished here recently and did well. There we go.
Yeah.
Little striper.
Lots of little shakers, but still love the little fight they put up.
And no worries about that. That's actually the highlight of the day, as it has been dreadfully slow. Okay, here's the crankbait I've been using here. It's a diver. I think this one's got about a 4-foot dive. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this puppy casted back out. buddies here right next to us just hooked up again. We still haven't caught nothing yet, as you guys seen. And we got a pale little striper there, huh? Oh, poor guy. And you caught that on an anchovy?
Yes.
Now, you guys might have seen me use this real recently. Here's another topwater popper. This one, again, is representing a frog. And actually, when it's in the water, it does a darn good job of doing so. So she's in pristine condition. Get her casted back out. See if we can't initiate a bite. Well, this action there. Just like, how can a fish not want to go for this thing? Oh, bad cast, though. It's okay. Gotta get the right motion. Oh, that's not good. See the tentacles in the back? Kind of look like legs. This might be that medium action pull. You could probably just reel it like a crankbait too, I would imagine. There you go, there's a little bit of pop. There you go. Just got to give it a bit more oomph with this pull. Oh, that's too much. Oh, come on. I would jump out there and bite that. Give me a break. Okay, you guys check this out too. I want to show you guys this too over here past Diego. We actually got kind of flooded in here. So this is our one bridge to get out of the joint. And as you can see, it's pretty flooded now. Tide is so high. Many people saying they never saw it this high. I haven't saw it this high. And yeah, that's about 2 foot of water there. So yeah, gonna be interesting getting out. Okay, well, thanks again for joining us today. Sorry it did not work out. Yeah, there was just a serious lack of activity. As you saw, the couple, it hit a couple, the couple over here hit a couple stripers, and they were tiny, and it was even dead for them. Other fishermen came and went. So hopefully next trip we can get on something. And remember, we got a couple recent videos with some good stuff, so look back and check those out.
Fish on.
Fish on. Okay, Diego, Ken, we're out.
Hello, good morning, Pips. Welcome to Hers and His Adventures in California.
Okay, this is actually a continuation of the other trip with me and Diego that didn't go so well. So hopefully we can make up for that and yeah, get on some stripers. Still heartbroken about that big beast that got away. So hopefully we can make up for that. Some other people here mentioned they're getting a couple bites right now. So we're about to get the anchovies casted out and see if we can't hook into something.
We'll see about that.
I'll see you in a bit. Okay, may have just got a bite, not certain yet. Something pulled the pole off. Could have been debris. I'm not feeling anything at the moment. I would be so shocked. That did not react like debris. You saw it? Come on, do it again, man. Do it again. He could have it in his mouth, maybe. Well, if that is one, then definitely keep an eye on the other poles, because it's possible we can get something else. I'm not feeling it now. I don't know. No, I just got here.
Oh, what's up, bro? Was in here last time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
GoPro and shit?
Yeah. Still got it.
Yeah, taking videos?
Yeah, except for that one trip didn't do all that well.
Oh, shit.
The one before did, enough to make a video. They got it. They got it. I bet you it was bites. Oh, man. Seriously. Oh, that's heartbreaking. Oh. But I was waiting, you know, I was waiting for the actual bite. Oh, babe, right here on this one. But this is that light, so I don't know. Okay, we actually caught a little striper on this one. I think we're getting bites on the other one. I didn't even know it was on. I was just reeling it in. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this guy situated and check that other pole. Okay, I don't know if you want to reuse that string. And that's the smallest one of 2022. Get that back. I mean, I can reel it in and find out, but I want to feel it underwater if it's on there. I don't think... No, I don't think so. Oh, bait's gone though. So Leo, what kind of lure are you using?
I think it's a crankbait.
A crankbait?
Yeah.
Yep.
We
Looks
haven't
like
got
one to me.
anything, but from this.
No,
from
not.
the lure, but,
No.
you know, let's see.
Fish. I don't know if it's on. Yeah, I think there might be something on there. Maybe not. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Here, can you hold the pole, babe?
What's the hole?
Yeah.
Is it 18?
No. There you go. Yeah, it's fair. It's, I don't know, 11? Yeah, maybe. Okay, can you get the blue tweezers? If you want to do that, we can do that after. Should be in the top. Oh, okay. But I'm telling you, it's nowhere near. You might be 9 to 11.
Actually, 13.
13? Okay. Well, here you go, buddy. Happy trails. I'm not sure. Not right now, I don't. No. Not feeling anything now. Maybe. Maybe, yeah, maybe. I don't feel it fighting though, I just feel some weight. Okay, hold on, hold on. Yeah, this is where I got that 14 and a half too, so. Okay, nice, clean.
Nice hook.
You want to get the measure? I'm sure it's not 18, but it's definitely nice size. Nice hook set too, right in the mouth. Okay, you want to get the measure? Take measure? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I think it's just the same as last time.
Yeah, well, just out of curiosity, just to see. We might have bumped it. Okay, another shaker going back. across the line. This way. I didn't even see it. At 40-pound test, he wasn't going nowhere. Oh, poor guy. Oh, shoot. Sorry, buddy. Give me a second. Okay. Trust in the force, buddy. There you go, babe.
I caught
Okay,
it.
pretty small one. Yeah. We're getting bites. Snag. It was a bite. And I got a feeling whatever it was might have got hooked and ran under a rock or a tree or something.
That's the
Fuck.
bigger line.